I'll try to put a little more on it, I guess. My name is Vengierell King. I've been employed at AquaPhoenix for a year and a half. I wire, mount, build panels, anything pretty much that I need to do. I mean, what they tell me to do, I do it. My favorite projects at AquaPhoenix are the wiring part and the mounting part. I like the wiring because it keeps me busy, and I just like the detail of it, so I like the wiring part. Well, the most embarrassing things probably I've seen here wasn't for me personally, but for somebody else. They were trying to go out the door and they got their coat caught up in the door and they almost looked crazy as hell trying to get out. So that was pretty funny to me. If a new hire came in, I would definitely tell them to ask as many questions as they can, because sometimes it can be a lot to learn initially. Just to ask questions just to make sure the job gets done right. Something people don't know about me. I'm a trader. I like trading Forex, cryptos online. I love that. I look at it all the time, every day, see what's going on in the markets, stuff like that. My favorite line from a movie would probably be, I like Westerns, Clint Eastwood, Make My Day. When he pulled out the 44 on them boys, yeah, make my day. One of my favorite core values would be do the right thing. I feel like if you do the right thing, everything else will fall in place. Jobs will be done more efficiently. If you do the right thing, everything else is right. So that's my take on that. My favorite foods, like pizza, man. Pizza, pepperoni. Oh, yeah, pretty much everything except the crazy stuff, pineapples and spinach and yeah. I don't like all that. Yes, I have well, my girl has a Shih Tzu puppy, and we love that thing to death. He's just running around the house. He's so cute. Yeah, Shih Tzu.
What's his name?
Diamond. She named it Diamond. It's her pet actually, but it's ours, you know.